Let me ask you a question. Would you like to wait 3 to 6 months for your dual citizenship or 2 weeks? I think it would be safe to say 2 weeks. In a moment, I'll break down our streamlined process, with no hassles or headaches dealing with the consulate. And the good news, everything can be done over the phone and online. To qualify for Mexico's Birthright Dual Citizenship program, at least one parent must have been born in Mexico. Please provide clear, high-quality photos of the following documents. 1. Mexican birth certificate of your mother and/or father. 2. Your U.S. birth certificate. 2. Your driver's license or state-issued ID. Once we receive your documents, they will be forwarded to our trusted attorneys in Mexico for official review and approval. Upon approval, we can begin processing your dual citizenship application. Upon completion of your application, you will receive your official Mexican birth certificate, your official Mexican CURP identification number, your original dual citizenship application and supporting documents. Luckily, with the help of Dual Citizenship Express, you can expedite this process and acquire your dual citizenship in just 2 weeks. The entire process can easily be completed over the phone and online, eliminating the need to physically visit the consulate. Contact us today at 858-276-8900. That's 858-276-8900. Or visit our website at dualcitizenshipexpress.com. If this information resonates with you, please like, subscribe, and share so we can assist more hopeful citizens on their journey